We've all experienced this phenomena known as stop start when you have a bit of a break. Maybe you go on holiday, maybe you decide to do things with your friends and your family. Well, I took a week off from recording. It might not sound like a long time, but 7 days had a big impact on me. Now, it's okay to feel like you've lost your flow or you stopped starting. That's normal, okay? Don't be worried by it. And I was a little bit unsettled, but then I just got back into the flow. And once you start to resume doing the things you know you're good at and you enjoy doing, the flow basically flows. It's okay to have breaks. You should enjoy life and enjoy your family time as well. But don't make any breaks that you take go on for far too long because otherwise you'll forget to get back to doing what you love doing and you'll just delay it. Now, the greatest bit of advice that I got in 2011 at a writers' conference by a very famous author was to never have more than one day off from doing what you need to be doing, basically writing. And I apply that not just to my business and my brand, but I apply that logic or that mindset to creating, posting social media content, doing videos, learning, improving. I do not like to take more than one day off. Now, even if you're not doing, ensure your mind is thinking. So make sure you're still learning, watching videos, improving your skill set, because when you do something like that, you will have the edge over other people that are not learning. So today, if you're not going to create any social media post or any video, go and learn. And tomorrow, go and learn again. And if on Wednesday you have a day off, that's okay. Just make sure you get back into learning, social media posting, creating videos, experimenting with other solutions and tools on Thursday. Never have more than one day. And like I said, if you don't like to work on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, you can still learn, can't you? Can still read a blog, an article, or something. You don't have to be doing like hands on doing something, even though you might be touching your phone, but you can still learn. Think, do, win. Don't take more than a day off.